Step 8. Protecting your investment. Congratulations and welcome home. The home buying process is complete, but just like any big process, there's a maintenance plan. It's now your responsibility and in your best financial interest to protect your investment for years to come. Performing routine maintenance on your home systems is always more affordable than having to fix big problems later. Be sure to watch for signs of leaks, damage, and wear. But first, when you move in, change the locks on exterior doors. Change the code on the garage door openers. Check the hot water settings. Invest in SmartHome devices. And remember, just because the sale is complete, your relationship with your agent does not need to end. After closing, your Keller Williams agent can still help you, providing information for your tax returns, finding contractors and repair services, and even tracking your home's current market value. Congratulations, enjoy your new home for years to come.